All right. Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper. You guys, I have my friends here and we're gonna do an unboxing because we have the new mini catalog this month. So as a demonstrator, you're able to go to the onstage, and when you go to onstage, you can pre-order from the mini catalog. And then as a demonstrator, if you didn't go to onstage, you still get to pre-order, but that's in December. So we get to get everything a month prior. So I've got some friends here who are demonstrators. Hi! I'm gonna whip it around so you can see everybody, and then I will turn you down so you can see all of our goodies with us. All right, here we go. We've got Laura.
Hey!
And Anya.
Hi, Tanya.
We got Mimi.
Hi.
We got Paula.
Hi, Paula.
Julie.
Hi.
Out there we've got the rest of the gang. We've got James, Ruby, Alyssa's hiding with Aiden. We've got Janine. And Brittany, she'll be joining us as a demonstrator shortly. So here we go. We're gonna start looking at everything that's new. It's not everything, it's only what I could afford. Okay. They had so many cute things, you guys. What is this? Oh, I got the new trimmer. What? So we'll play with that today. I think I'm the last one to get the new trimmer, right? Out of everybody?
No, I don't have it.
Oh, okay.
I have it. I like my old one.
All right, here's the new trimmer.
Oh my. Looks good. Oh yeah. I like it.
And then, of course, I got some refill because I always need refill.
Me too.
I always put at least one in every order. And what else? We were able to get things in like sweets, which you'll be able to as well. So I'm going to pull stuff out and they'll go in the sweets, but I'm not sure where. So we're just going to go one by one. We got some crinkle seam binding ribbon. It's really easy to work with.
Yes, it is.
We've got some, what is this? This is real red. And this is a stitched, no, it's satin. Double stitch satin ribbon. Yeah. This is a sheer linen in the mint macaron. I love that little thin. We'll go through all the goodies.
This is pretty.
These are some tassels, and this comes from the Best Dress suite, which you guys, oh my gosh, we'll look at that in a bit. But the little tassels, and these white ones can be dyed any color, just with some re-inker or blendables. We've got two bits of little accessories here. This is the sequins that goes with the Peaceful Poppies. They are beautiful.
Oh, they're so cute.
They are. I love the colors. And then this one, we've got From My Heart Faceted Gems. That's from a different suite. I got the entire.
So cute.
I got the entire From the Heart.
Look at that. Nice. Look at that. That's really pretty.
Oh my gosh.
These.
We gotta get some.
Oh, these are littler than I thought. I thought they were going to be big, which is perfect.
Sizes.
In the book.
Right.
Okay, I like these. I gotta have some of these.
Okay.
I like it all, but I gotta have some of these.
And then these come in the two different shades of pink. It looks like Real Red and Flirty Flamingo, but I could be wrong.
It is. Yeah, that's the colors in the heart to heart.
Yeah, the heart
Yeah,
felt
I
sweet.
got that one.
I like those.
And then look at this.
Oh, and they have
Two punches that work together in hearts.
Oh yeah. One and this one is.
Oh yeah.
Is this the heart? Oh, I like that.
Okay,
And they
it's.
work together so this fits this.
I'm gonna set my celebration stuff aside, but we've got the Peaceful Moments stamp set, and this has a lot of great sayings here. Happy birthday, congratulations, thank you. Oh my gosh, all kinds of stuff there. And that's the cling set stamp.
You know what? These fit inside the tin.
Yes.
These fit directly
Yeah, they
inside
fit.
the tin.
So do the punches are small too.
We should get that 9 lines. in
We've
the
got the
tail.
Dress to Impress,
Wow.
which is if you're a girly girl.
Oh yeah.
We've got some great makeup, perfume, shoes.
That's it. I'm gonna curl my hair.
We've got, again, some Hello Fabulous is on there. Great. And that is a photopolymer stamp set. And I love those because you could see right through them.
Makes it easier to stamp.
Yes, ma'am.
Beautiful.
Again, with the,
That'd be a cute.
this is photopolymer. This is for Valentine's. This is the Heartfelt stamp set. And I think the punch is going to work great on these. So I cannot
like
wait
these
to use these.
Sentiments. Those
Very
are some
nice.
good sentiments. What's that peaceful moment? I gotta write that down.
That comes with the
Now this is Best Dressed. It's 6x6 designer series paper. And you guys, I'm not going to open it right now, but
Dress to impress.
one of my teammates, Mimi, from Stampin' with the Grandma Giggles, she opened hers. So if you want to see all of the different ones, check out her her YouTube. And I'll put the link down below because there are some great things. And she got different things than I did, so she did an unboxing as well.
This
Ooh,
one
I
has
like that.
excellent flowers.
I will also put some links to any of my demonstrators who have done unboxings as well, because we want to make sure you see everything that's available. These are the painted labeled dies. They go with that word set. And again, I'm not going to open this one. Mimi opened hers, so you can see that there.
Yeah, Mimi, break them out. I want to see them individually.
She actually opened everything. Same with these puppies. She got these as well.
Those.
Yeah, they're beautiful, right?
They really are.
These are already done for you. You just pop them out. There's some labels in here. There's some watercolor paper in here with a resist technique. And I will show you how to use all of this stuff. So just make sure you're subscribed. Click the subscribe button. These are some great little envelopes here. This is the Best Dressed 3x3 cards. They come in 3 different colors and 3 different envelopes. This is the All Dressed Up dies. Now where is that All Dressed Up stamp set?
Right here.
Oh look, I like to have people when I ask questions. They have dies for all of this stuff, so if you want to cut out that perfume, I believe the lipstick, the shoes, I think that it can all be cut out with these dies. And usually when you buy the dies and the stamp set together, usually they have some saving 10% and stuff like that, so check that out. That's not good. You saw those already. We've got some designer series paper. Oh, look at that. I bought 2 of these.
pretty.
No, look at that one.
Oh my gosh.
Mimi's Dress to Impress paper.
No. No, we're gonna.
Oh.
She said I'm fine. I mean, you can if you
Yeah,
want.
no, it's okay. So we've got some great papers in here. Now this one I'm gonna open because it's just too cute.
Oh my gosh, that's pretty.
Oh.
It really
I
is.
didn't order any of the heart stuff, and now I gotta go
Oh,
order it.
see, and I think the punch will work perfect on there.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
And then that's the back. I'll pass them. Same, you guys, there's hearts in here. You can punch those out.
I like that.
On that one.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
they have foil there, so it's half has
So
foil and the other half doesn't. Look at these. Those are adorable.
Oh
my goodness.
Look at that one.
This one's beautiful.
Oh my.
There's some great hearts.
No, I didn't show you some. This is hers.
Oh, I like this
More
one.
hearts.
Oh yeah, that one. That one's gorgeous. I think so. I think I showed it on mine. Oh my god, Phil. Ooh, that's pretty. No, that one's her. I like it.
Oh, this one has some nice pink hearts on here.
Oh, I like that.
Like this.
So, and then, go ahead, I'm listening.
This is really pretty. Oh here, look, I didn't give you these.
Here you go.
Thank you. I like these.
And we got that.
That's super cute.
And then this one. This could even be used at Christmas.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I like this.
Oh, I'm loving
little
this.
tiny
I'm
Yeah.
loving this.
Yeah. So that was cool. Yes. And then this is the Poppy GSP. I'm not going to open this one because, again, you can go to Mimi. She's over there going, me, me, me. That's why we call her Mimi.
That's what we tell everybody. That's what I tell everybody.
That's cute.
It's all
But-
about me.
It is beautiful. And it does have some dies as well that coordinate with the stamp set and some paper, I believe. So we've got that. Then I'm going to show you the last item. Oh, here, I'll pass that around. And I'll pass this around too if you want to see it.
Thank you.
You can open it. And then these are heart foil tins.
We got 10. Oh, those are the 10.
These are the tins.
Yeah.
So these are super cute. And I heard you can bake in them.
Oh,
So how
that
cute
makes
are
it
these?
more exciting.
Yes, and then they come with lids as well.
I was like, oh
So-
my gosh.
Very cute.
No, I see. I'm wishing
yeah.
I would have got the rest of that whole
ma'am?
set.
Yeah.
Okay, so you guys, we've opened this up and I was able to get some on my demonstrator credit, so I didn't get the full effect of Celebration. But Celebration has some different stamp sets that you can earn for free, and I earned these two for free. So this one is so cute. It's called the Gangs All Mirror. It's got these lovely little meerkats, and it's so cute. And then I also got this one that was free, the Happy Birthday to You. And I love this cake. It can be colored so many different ways. So I got these two for free. If you guys are wanting to see the new catalogs, make sure you go to my site, jeanpiersanti.stampinup.net, and sign up for the newsletter. And also, anybody who has purchased from me in the last 6 months will automatically get a catalog as well. So, all right, that is everything I have. And any questions? I don't think so. From my little group here, we're just gonna open this up now and craft the day away. So, all right, you guys. Have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.